A grand team building workshop. We recently wrapped up an unforgettable team building experience at the luxurious 5-star hotel, bringing together 300 enthusiastic participants from one of our esteemed corporate clients, and it was a massive success. From the moment our guests arrived, the energy was electric. Our activities were designed to boost collaboration, ignite creativity, strengthen bond, all while having a blast in a premium setting. You can check on the video. The team is completely engaged and ready to rock the floor. Fun-filled icebreaker to melt the awkwardness. Creative challenges that promote problem solving. Team tasks that boost collaboration and trust. We always make sure to have a high energy, dynamic dance and movement to lift the vibe. As you can check out from the video, the team is completely engaged and they are dancing on the beats. Corporate team building workshops are designed to bring your people together in the most impactful way. We have a tailored indoor experience that focus on creativity and connection. Refreshing session to boost energy and engagement. Unique icebreaker, collaboration tasks and fun group challenges add on the value to a complete setting of team building. A little music and a dance is needed as a part of having a complete zone out and zone in with the team. You can check on the video, the team are playing with the same goal, and we always make sure to have a complete engagement, fun and laughter while being and getting ready with the goal. Corporate Excellence is an organization specialized in employee engagement and team building. And what makes us different? We blend leadership, communication, and collaboration with the pure, uplifting fun. We are specialized in turning the regular company outing into memorable and meaningful experience, whether it is a small workshop or a large-scale event like this one. We bring 7 years of expertise, creativity, and heart into every engagement. Let's check out the vibe on the screen. The way they are just in their zone and the way they are engaging with each other says a lot about our recent workshop, which I call as a grand workshop for so far with the 300 participants on the floor. So are you ready to elevate your team? If you're looking to boost morale, improve communication and ignite team spirit, let us design a program that fits your vision and goal. Team Corporate Excellence is ready for you. Let's connect to create unforgettable memory for your team. Contact us to plan your next team building activity. Team Corporate Excellence. Thank you.